Welcome to one and all present here. First of all, I thank our management, principal, everybody. Before I go to start my class, I like to introduce myself. My name is Mr. W. Sam Rajadurai, Faculty of Computer Science, Kasturi College of Education. Today we are going to see the new topic that is called awareness program about online security. So the online security is coming from the computer, world computer. So December 2nd, for every year, December 2nd is a World Computer Literacy Day. We are organizing online usage and security in that day. So that we are going to see one by one today. Okay. The first thing is called the creating awareness and desire digital literacy. What is awareness? So there are so many kind of topics to discuss, to talk, but why we selected this awareness about the world computer literacy day means many of the people they don't know the awareness of the computer. So everybody is using the computer, so that is the main thing. It is user friendly. Computers have become an entire part of human life. In our everyday to day life, the computer is essential for doing the work easily. And next thing is called the technology. So what is technology? For every department we have the technology. We are using the technology for doing our work very smartly and simply, and it is increasing the scope. The computer is increasing the scope. So nowadays everybody are using the computer. In olden days only the computer science students are used to go for processing center. Only the computer science students can use the uh, processing center. But now it is not like that. The computer is a common device for everybody is using. The Tamil students, English students, math, science, social, history, geography, whatever it may be. The department is not important, but they're using the computer. The computer is a friendly movement. Next thing is called the knowledge of computer. So while using the computer, you have the knowledge. You can increase your knowledge. So updating daily, we are reading the newspaper. Daily, we are reading the magazine for updating our knowledge. But without that, we are seeing the pictures in the computer. It will increase the knowledge of computer. And I see the fast. It's a fast, accurate machine. In olden days, they used computer only for doing the calculations. For doing the calculations, the abacus that and all they used for doing the calculations. But now we are using the computer for calculation also, for save also, for record also. Next thing is big calculation. What is big calculation? If we do a 4 or 5 sums, it will give you the correct answer. At 10 or 50 or 60 sums, we will get tired, we will get bored for finding the answer. But computer doesn't get bored. Always it will give you the correct answer in the correct time. It won't get bored. Next is called the what is computer. So now we can say it is an electronic device. It is a common device, okay, but it is an electronic device. That means using the current, we are using the computer. So it is called the electronic device. Using the electricity, it is working. So it is called the electronic device. Next thing is called it is used for storing purpose, and next thing is it is used for retrieve purpose and process data. What is data? Biodata. We can type our resume as a biodata. Using the computer we can type the process, and every documents everything we can use. The second thing is called the type documents, and next thing is in computer we are using the internet facility also for sending the email, and it will help you for doing the process for finding the website. and it is used for playing purposes. The computer is a common device for all the age peoples. So all the age peoples means they are using for doing the games, playing games. The child and also the everybody, the school going students, the studying students, everybody is using the games. In computer is used for playing games. And next thing is called the third thing we can say, you can also use it to edit or create spreadsheet. What is spreadsheet? In MS Office, there is a second thing. First thing is MS Word, second is MS Excel. MS Excel, we are using the spreadsheet. It is used for doing the calculation, for creating the bar sheet, everything we can do. The next thing is called the presentation. That is coming in PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint. It is also one type of thing in MS Office. Presentation means what? Doing the seminar, for doing the design, for coloring and presenting the paper. For one person can carry the information to thousand and thousand of people in the same smart room. That is called the presentation. And even video. What is video? Nowadays we are using the YouTube for finding the videos. What are the videos you want in education field? You can use that kind of videos. You can type that kind of titles and you can find out the videos. The last thing is called hardware and software. So many of them will say hardware and software is same, but it is wrong. Hardware means what? It is outside part of the computer is called the hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and next thing is called hooper and joystick speaker. It is called hardware. It is used for replace from one place to another place, so it is called hardware. It is hard device. But in software is entirely different. Software means what? It is inside part of the computer is called the software. For example, we can say icon, interconnection, network service icon, then folder, file, then WhatsApp, everything is inside the monitor. So that is called the software. Next thing is called the language. So language means there are so many types of languages in our world, but we are using the here we are using the language for communicating with the computer. So computer won't accept our language. So you want to go to their level. You want to go and accept the language of computer. You want to learn the computer language. First thing is called the communication in many languages. In Google, we go to the Google, there are so many languages, Tamil English, uh, Hindi, so many languages are available at the bottom of the screen. Which language you want to select, you can click it. Automatically, the web page will change into the that language. The second thing is called the machine language. So that also you want to learn one and zero, one, zero, 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 the eight. So it is called the machine language. Whatever you are typing in the keyboard, everything can be converted into machine language. Next thing is programming language, also the same thing. You want to type the source code, that's called the programming language. Next thing is software, that is Java, ASP.NET, Active Server Page Network, HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language, XHTML, extension Hypertext Markup Language. These are all the types of languages. The computer can accept this language. Nowadays, we are using Dev C++. In older days, they used C language, then C++. Before that, they used COBOL language, Common Business Oriented Language. Nowadays, we are using Dev C++ and Python software. Now we are using. Okay. That is the difference. For one language, there's one style C, for C one style, C++ one style, PHP server, VB, Visual Basic Java, this kind of so many languages we are using. Okay, these are the types of languages. Next thing is called the equipments. What is equipments? Without the equipments the computer cannot work, that is called the equipments. Okay, the equipment is another name for equipment is called the tools. So when computer is working means so many processes helping the computer to do the work. The first thing is called keyboard. So keyboard is used for typing purposes. The long buttons in keyboard is called the space bar. It is a long button. So while if you go to the typewriter class in use the thumbnail only, you will move the cursor from one place to another using that space bar. Here you want to know the difference between tab key and space bar. If you press the tab key in the keyboard, the cursor will move 5 inch. That is tab key we are using. The cursor will move 5 inch. How many times you are pressing the tab key, automatically 5 inch the cursor will move. If you press the space bar, how many times you are pressing the space bar, the cursor will move one space only. So this is the difference between keyboard. Next is called in keyboard there are three things. One is lower level, next is upper level, middle level. This kind of things we are using the keyboard. Next is called the mouse. What is mouse? Mouse is used as a tiny part. Okay, it is a handy. We can say it is a handy. There are three buttons. The center button is called the scrolling wheel. That is scroll button. A left mouse button, right mouse button. We can use left mouse, right mouse, and center button. That is scroll we can use. The if you use the mouse in the mouse pad, automatically the cursor will move in the, you can visible in the monitor. Okay, the cursor, the another name for cursor is called the what, pointer. Pointing, it is pointing one icons in the monitor, so it is called the pointing device or pointer. Okay, next thing is called the mic. So mic is also one input device. What and all you are giving command through the mic, it is an input. Then speaker means we are hearing what and all you are speaking in the mic, that is called input. Speaker is output. What and all you are speaking in the mic that you can hear in the speaker, that is mouse. That is a speaker. Okay, for example we can listening the songs. That is an example for speaker. Next is joystick. Joystick is a playing game things. We can draw or you can play the keyboard using the joystick. Next thing is printer. So what is printer? That is two types of printer. That is impact printer, non-impact printer. Now we are using laser printer, dot matrix printer. So many type of printer is available. It will help you. This is called the equipments. It will help you for using the computer. Okay, printer is using for take printout. Okay, next thing is called the parts of computer. So here see the diagram. For a speaker is this diagram, monitor, desktop. The front screen of the monitor is called the desktop. Then keyboard, mouse, wireless mouse is available here. Then headphone, then printer, then CPU central processing unit. Here another diagram is here. See inside the CPU there's a fan, cooling fan. We can say it is cooling fan. There are three types of fan is available inside the CPU. That is motherboard, hard disk drive, optical drive, fan, power supply, SMP, then connection, expansion slots. Everything is available inside the CPU. For connecting for everything, there's a port at the back of the CPU. There's a port. Okay. The next thing is called computer. The abbreviation of computer is C is for the common, O is for operating, M is for the machine, P is for the particularly, U is for the use for, T for trade, E for education, and R for research. Okay, this is the abbreviation for the computer. The next is called the usages in fields. The computer can be used in primary level for rhymes, cartoons, seeing cartoons, Tutti TV, everything we can see in the computer. That is in primary level. Then school level means some sums. We are doing some calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything we can use in the school level. That is for best example. That is called the painting. The children like to use the painting in schools. In school, many computers can be used for this painting classes. Okay, college level means typing things. Okay, so many things: Java, Oracle, ASP.NET, everything we are typing, and we are getting the printout with their C++, then Python, everything. Even though there is in the college, so that is college level. And next thing is called the library, digital library. So every dictionary, e-library, everything is available in the computer. Okay, use the internet facility, e-library is available. If we want to refer any books for the research purposes, you can go through this website and you can find out this and take your referring things. Okay, next thing is browsing area. So next thing is so common for everybody. It's a browsing area. There's two things, that is Wikipedia, PDF, and PPT. The three things available in the same topic. If you press the same topic and give the icon, and if you give PPT, automatically you will get the PowerPoint. That is PPT. The same message you can get using the PPT. Next is PDF means document. Next thing is called the same area you can give it as a Wikipedia. The Wikipedia is the school level, the school going students easy English. If the school going students can easily can understand the English, that is Wikipedia. For school students only they created the Wikipedia website. Okay, another thing is called as common thing. Next thing is home. So definitely I want to say home page of the Google. So daily the home page will change. They go and see the Google, daily the home page will change, because suppose Christmas, New Year, Pongal, Deepavali, any celebrating festival is there, automatically the Google picture will be, the home page will be changed, because it will intimating you today is the day, this is the day. You daily you are watching the Google home page. Without home page you will never ever enter inside the web page. So you can see, okay, it is intimating you, it is updating you what are the facilities he is going inside the in our around the world. Next is a research area. Regarding to their research area, that PhD or MBBS, so this kind of level they can do the research over using this research area. Next slide is called the usage of computer. In schools, in colleges, in research centers, three type of charts it is visible here. You can find out this. Using this, they can conduct the seminar, meeting, and they can use the office work also. The next thing is sharing documents, everything they can visible. And then architectures, before building here one thing, before building one what is that building purposes, you see the painting, they can choose the color, they can get the identify. The main thing is called the, in military, navy, they use the internet. First of all, they use the internet for using the navy purpose only. Then only side by side they use in the schools and colleges. Okay. Next is called the internet. So you know very well about the thing. Okay, the global communication facilities. Nowadays we are using the internet for many purposes. It is one of the purposes: communication facilities, interconnecting facilities. Next is called the society. It will uplift your knowledge and it will increase the society also. The government is encouraging the internet center to educate the people, whether சமச்சீர் கல்வி, then பாடசாலை, கல்விச்சோலை, this kind of internet, the facilities the government is giving you in, yeah, they are published the textbook in the in this kind of website, question paper, answer paper, question booklet, answer booklet, then speech. There are some staffs are coming and taking speech during the corona time. Only the internet helped us to pass the class. It will help you. It helped you for passing the class. Okay. The next is called the so many browsers we use. That is application. What is the application? Application is nothing but something we are applying the computer using internet. That is application. For example, uh, cash transaction of cash, money transaction, e-banking facilities. Without going the bank, we are sending and receiving the money. We are getting the salary. Next thing is we are booking the railway ticket, airline ticket, the cinema theater ticket. That hall ticket also, even though many of them are downloading their hall ticket, that is net examination. So everything we are set examination, everything we are sitting in their place and they are downloading their hall tickets. This kind of facilities the browser is using, and we are the user and we are the programmers. If you give the wrong information to the computer, automatically the computer will give you the wrong information. If they could give the good information, the computer will give you the good information. We are the users, we are the programmers. Many of them are blaming the computer, sir. The computer is not working, computer is not starting, computer is very slow. That means what? We should not blame the computer. We are doing the mistakes. We are hiding our mistakes, we are blaming the computer. So the computer is a small empty box. Everything we are creating, we are keeping everything. Garbage in, garbage out. Next thing is we are using web page also. We go to one website, there are collection of web pages available. Whatever it may be, you can go through it. Next is Firefox, everything is available. Now we are using the Chrome also, Firefox also, everything we are using. That WhatsApp also we are using group of WhatsApp, individual WhatsApp for what is that? For face to face talking, reacting, and sending messages, receiving messages, downloading the books, everything is available using this WhatsApp. Next thing is called the intranet. The collection of internet is called the intranet. Okay, that is internet, extranet, internet. That is LAN, WAN is available, local area network and wide area network. Local area network means what? That is college, campus, then it is inside the surrounding. It is called the LAN. That is WAN means what? It is wide area network. Country to country, continent, using the satellite, we are sending and receiving messages through the satellite. That is called the WAN. Many things we discussed. Okay, that is the difference between LAN and WAN. So another thing is called the wireless network. Without using the wire, we are passing the messages from one place to another place, sharing information. Easiest way of carrying the operating system, everything can be available in the one, that is wireless. For example, that is Android phone we are carrying without using the wire. We are carrying many places. That is wireless. Then hotspot, using the hotspot, we are connecting we are sharing our internet to the computer. Next thing is called the IP. uh, next thing is called QR code. Everything we are downloading using the QR code. In shop, we are paying the bill through QR code. Everything is available using the wireless intra network. The next is the use of computer in the education. So computer can be used in the learning. First, they use the computer for learning purposes. Everybody want to catch the point. What are the teacher is saying? Some of them are not getting the information. They are lacking of coming to the class. So that kind of slow learners, the computer is very well useful for the process of learning. Simplified. So what is simplified? What it is in the book that they can it is difficult for them to study. For simplification, they receive the bulletin, they receive the PowerPoint for giving that color attraction, and they are studying. That is simplified. And if effectively they are taking the class using the PowerPoint presentation. Everything is available. Education field in business fields also they are using. They are finding the sharing is increasing or decreasing. Everything they are using in the business field. In hospital for any disease, what are the medicine is available? The market, what is the purpose of using the medicine? So everything you can visible in the internet. So you can give the name of the name of the what is that pills name that becomes that pills name, and you can see the what is the purpose of using this medicine. You can mention the medicine name in the computer, and you can say what disease we are using, what medicine. Next thing is banking. So I told you that is e transaction without going to bank. We are passing our account from one account to another account, one bank to another bank. Next thing is called the marketing. Home, some products. What is the marketing? That is Flipkart, Amazon network. What are the products we are selling? What is the rate? How much they are passing everything using the marketing. Next thing is students book. Book is available in the market. So what are the books are available in the market that you can download it and you can use it for our education. Next thing is education, transport, energy, home, business, great hospital, industry, others, everything we are doing. Okay, mobile usage. Nowadays we are using this kind of mobile. You see this chart. The next is called mobile addiction. So there's a demerit. Merit. Still now we saw the merits of the internet. What is the demerit of the mobile phone? Here say many of them are not going to the library and not referring the books. They are not saying the author name. They are not coming to know the author name. Only they are using the mobile. The world is in your hand, but they are misusing their mobile phone. See the picture. Some of them are using the mobile without seeing the face. They are watching the mobile. Next is called the mobile addiction, the secret pandemic. Okay, and the children are always using the mobile phone for playing the games. So they are addicted their games. They want to come out from their addiction. For that thing, very limitedly we are using a mobile phone. Always go through it for emergency purpose. You can use the mobile phone. During the corona session, we use the mobile phone. So that is not the real solution in our life. You want to take the book, I want to read, you want to refer the book, you want to go to inside the library, and you want to be member for the library. Okay. Next thing is cyber security. So everything is available in the internet. The main thing is called we want to have the security. Many people they don't know the purpose of the security. What is the security for For our email sending and receiving, we want to have the user ID and password. You want to change your password. Don't keep your cell number as a password. Automatically, they will find out your password. So, for 3 months or 4 months, you want to change your password. That's called the cyber security. There's an application of technologies. In many companies, they have the security. So, without the security, we should not go to the technology. We should have the cyber security, network program, devices and data, everything is available. Here see the chart. This kind of securities we are using. Criminal groups are using your, they will hack your mobile phone, mobile computer, they will hack everything, your money also, everything they will hack. There are many possible for hacking your internet connections, your password, your address, everything. It is many more chance. Okay, so you want to be aware of this kind of things. The next is that's all. Okay, so many things we discussed today. Okay, thank you, students.